Happiness Academy channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you something which is very important. Yes, it is building the right environment. Environment is everything. Environment is greater than your will. When you have your environment right and pleasant, it is going to help you build a lot of happiness and success in your life. So how do I do that? It is the process called clean. The C in the clean stands for clean up unwanted stuff. Unwanted stuff which is blocking your positive energy. L stands for letting go unwanted people and unwanted things in your life. And E stands for energizing yourself. Yes, most important is to energize yourself. And A stands for associate with the right things and the right people. And most importantly, N stands for nurture. After you build all this environment, it is important that we take care of it and nurture on a daily basis. Wishing you happiness and success. I hope today's video will help you ignite your day today. And please remember to share your experiences in the comment box below and also subscribe to our channel so that you are getting regular update from us. This is Dr. Poorani, founder of Happiness and Success Academy, and I'm a happiness and success coach. So far, we have transformed the lives of at least 45,000 people through our training, coaching, mentoring and counseling. And we are on a mission to ignite millions and millions of lives of people to ensure that they take their first step and move towards their life of happiness and success that they truly deserve.